Hey, how's it going, guys? Yeah, today I'm gonna replace the front sway bar links for my '05 Land Rover LR3. Yeah, I was driving and it's been driving pretty good, and I started like hearing a clanking once in a while, and the steering felt a little bit different. So the suspension in the front, I knew something was up, so I took off the wheel, and yep, broke right off. Come on, focus. There it is. Broke from the bottom. Pretty simple. It's got two nuts. One right there and one over here. They're 18 millimeters. So you will need to get yourself an 18 millimeter socket with a breaker bar. Nice big juicy vice grip and a wrench. 18 millimeter as well. Oh yeah, that's the top part. Yep, snap right off. Must have hit a bump or something. Yeah, that's how you do it. Said it's got one nut in the bottom. I mean, we have one nut in the top, one in the bottom. 18 millimeters. And the bottom one's gonna be a little bit tricky. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one you gotta watch out because you got your brake lines right there. I don't even know if you can see it. Maybe not. Maybe this side. Yep. This is gonna be tricky. Woo, that one's on there real good. Yeah, I don't know. Damn. The whole damn thing fluctuates. I don't know how much socket's gonna fit in there. Nah. Damn. That's on there good. Gotta use some excessive force sometimes. Oh, the whole thing's moving now. That's it. Oh, yeah. Boom, there you go. Snapped right there by where that little ball joint is at. Oh, yeah. Supposed to go something like that. And there's also the whole line. Is it plastic? Yeah, I think it's plastic. I don't know. Yeah. Still breaks. Yep, that's how you do it. Because the two 18mm bolts, nuts. One on top, one on the bottom on the side. Top one right there. And the bottom over here by the sway bar. Alright, time to replace it with the new one. Yep, this is the new one. That's the old one, all cracked up and stuff. Okay. So yeah, that goes to the bottom, that goes to the top. Alright, probably start at the top. Come on, get in there. Just like that. Genesis and wrench. Alright, I'm ready. Of course, wrong way. Damn it. Of course, the whole thing moves, so that's where you need your vice grip. That's it. Bottom's gonna have to be all with a wrench because it's a tight squeeze. That's it. So you install it. Got the top, bottom, brand new.